Hello children, I hope all are fit and healthy at your places. So today we will do page number 18, concentration tips. First is stick to a routine, efficient study schedule. Means create your study schedule. Consider how much time you want to spend on studies and set similar goals and reward yourself. Second is study in a quiet environment. One of the keys to effective studying is finding a good location. Means find a good location in a well lit area and noise free area. Third is do work at desk, not your bed. So children, we all are going through this situation because we are doing work from home. So amid the coronavirus lockdown, tend to sit on the bed with our laptop for hours, even if that makes us complain of neck pain and lazy. Moreover, working or doing work in bed will reduce your focus because most people tend to associate their beds with comfort and sleep. Doing such activities in bed can lead to a deviation of the brain to become more lazy and possibly feel asleep. Next is avoid daydreaming by asking yourself questions about the material as you study it. So if you find yourself daydreaming, tell your mind that you can do that later. It is now time for studying. Fifth is take a break. Studies show that breaks in your study routine can positively affect your attention abilities. Taking breaks from studies can improve both focus and attention. Next is practice doing one thing at a time and doing it to completion. So doing only one thing at a time is a surprisingly powerful way to become more productive because it helps you remember more, get more done in less time and bring more attention to your work. So these were the concentration tips. By following these concentration tips, you can achieve the goal. So it's your homework that you go through these concentration tips. That's it, students. Goodbye. Take care.